Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Day in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I make this low-fat carb biscuits made out of almonds. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start out with 2 cups of almond flour, we're going to add 2 eggs of butter, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, we're going to combine this together real good. Okay, this is what we're going to do right here. We're going to take the dough out. It's kind of a wet dough, but that's alright. Okay, what I want to do is I want to make little holes for this. Okay, before I put these into the oven, I'm going to put these on for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, or probably not that long until they're done. We'll come back and we'll check these out. Okay, take a look at them nice, good looking biscuits right there. Look at that. We're going to do a taste test on this. This is made out of almonds and they are very healthy for you. Look at this one right here. Look at that. Look at the golden brown on that. So flaky. Watch that. Look how it tears apart right there. It's so good. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all stay tuned for the next video.